What's going on, y'all? Vinny Cuz here, and today I want to bring you a little tip that you can use that might get you more tips. Let's get into it. So, a friend of mine, Jeff, out in Arizona, Uber Jeep AZ, if you want to check out his channel, he turned me on to this QR code thing on a business card. Now, this isn't the first time I heard about QR codes, but it's the first time I heard about it on a business card a few months ago. And so I want to show you guys how you can do this, especially if you think that you're getting shortchanged on your tips, or if you have a rider that prefers not to go through the app but doesn't have any cash. If you give them a card, they can take it with them later on. They might either call you or hook you up. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take you through it. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your apps, your Venmo, your Cash App. If you have Zelle. If you want to collect in Bitcoin or Litecoin, you want to go into these apps or your wallet, and you want to take a snapshot of the QR codes. And they'll look something like this. Get your little folder, create your little folder on top of your on your desktop, and you can lock these codes in. Then we're going to go, I'm just using Vistaprint. You don't have to use Vistaprint, whoever you do your cards through. But we're going to go here and I'm going to run you through the steps. Say browse design. We're going to upload our own design. Horizontal. Oh, okay. Standard business cards. Here we go. $14.45 right now. And you don't need nothing expensive. You just want something you can put the information on. That's all. We're going to go ahead and replace the image. Click on images. Upload. Now, I've already got mine uploaded in, but we're just going to show you how to do it. You just crop it down. Bring it into position. Now, there's a trick here. You can hit that. There it is. Get that one out of there. Now this is my Bitcoin address, right? So we're going to take and we're going to put that there for now. Then we're going to drag over another image. This is my Venmo, right? We're just going to bring that up, put that in there. I don't know why it's doing that, but we'll get rid of that. All right, there's my Venmo. Now you want to make them big enough to where, I'm looking for the center line, don't mind me, there it is. You want to make them big enough to where their camera can reach it, right? And we'll go back and drag the third one in, which is not there. So let's see, let's drag the Cash App in. There's Cash App. Bring that one here, bring it over there. You get the idea. You're just going to line them up, make them big enough to where their camera can read it, their QR code can read it if they have Venmo or Cash App or a Coinbase wallet or something like that. And then you can just add in some text so that they know who they're talking to, right? So here you're going to put whatever your @ is. Mine's Vinny Cuz, right? So you'll put that in there so that when they look, your Cash App, you can leave your full name on there if you want. If not, just put your @ symbol on there. And then you can go ahead and add a phone number in there if you want to. Right? We'll say 305, because I live in a 305, 123 4567, because y'all don't need to know my damn phone number. Anyway. So you can do something like this. This way they can call you. They got your @. You can put your full name in there, which they have. And at this point, you're good to go. And so when you preview it, it would look something like this. This is the easiest way for you to go ahead and make sure you get your tips if that rider doesn't want to tip you on the app. I got another friend, Omar. He keeps a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper in his vehicle. It's either taped to the back of his seat or to his armrest console. I think that's a little tacky. But you could always get like a little business card holder. Stick it right there or slip them into the door handles. And if somebody asks or if they request, say, hey, man, I'd love to tip you. I got no cash on me. You can just hand them a business card. I'd appreciate it if you catch me later. Anyway, that's what I got for you today. Hopefully it helps you out. Do me a favor, hit those buttons down below, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.